What's up, everybody? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of CreditRepairShop.com. And in today's video, this particular video, I wanted to put this one out because something is going on with state by state that I think you need to be aware of. So this is like a public notice video. I recently opened up a new company. I invested in a new company that's in the medical industry, and I had a nurse that wanted to work for that company, and we were notified that the nurse could not work for our company because of public records, and it was a minimal amount. I'm talking about 180 something dollars minimal. Uh, and they said that it either needs to be paid or they just could not work for the company. And I was thinking, this is this the next step that people are, where they're starting to use credit as a way to hold people back. I mean, we've already seen it where they use credit in a way where you may not be able to get a job somewhere. But usually, when you're already in and you're in a field and you're working in it, they wasn't able to use your credit to get you out of that field to where you wasn't going to be able to work. And the crazy thing about it is that she was already hired by our company, and then the state said that she's not going to be able to work for your company. So, and what they're doing, when I looked into what was happening with this, is that what they're doing slowly is that they're starting to make change these laws, and state by state it might already be in your state, where depending on what profession you're in, anything to do with medical, legal, financial, uh, professional services, even I've even seen this even with city jobs, uh, jobs that you wouldn't even think where this is happening, where what they're doing is they're not grandfathering those people in. They're actually using this to be able to go into these companies. They went into my privately held companies, uh, asked for our employee data, and said that for your particular businesses, it is now against the law in our state for this individual to have public records information on them that is not resolved to be able to work for your company. So that means that we had to tell that individual that they had to take care of that collection or that judgment, or they would we would have to let them go, that they would not be able to work for our company. This is a tactic where I think what happened is that a lot of the debt collection companies have went and they've lobbied, state senators and state representatives to be able to enact this law. It's like a workaround. So then what they're going to do is the first step was to stop people from being able to get jobs because of their credit. Next step is to go back through the people that are working and to send a letter to their human resources department and say that if you don't resolve this particular outstanding account, that you will not be able to work for this company. So it's like a catch 22 on what they're doing to people. So I just wanted to make that public notice to everyone, to let them know that this is what's starting to happen. Like it's really getting very dirty out there when it comes to debt collection, and you have to be very careful, and you have to resolve your situations now, because you don't want to wake up one day like this individual did with our company, and we had to make a decision on if they were not able to pay that debt, that we were gonna have to let them go from the company. So if you need help with your credit, need help with your debt, please visit our website, thecreditrepairshop.com. This is very serious situation. If you don't know what's on your credit reports pertaining to public records or collections that you have out there, get the credit reports from website below. You can go to your3scores.com, download them, review them, send them to us for review, look at the different options that are available to you so you can resolve it, so you don't have something like this come about and turn your life upside down overnight. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Ask your questions, post your comments, and like the video. I really appreciate it. And until next time, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com.